Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Are you trying to change the input source on your VIZIO Smart TV, but it just won't switch? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you quick and effective ways to fix your VIZIO TV's input source issue. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the remote functionality. First, let's make sure the problem isn't with the remote itself. Sometimes, the remote's input button might stop responding due to weak batteries or a temporary glitch. Start by removing the back cover and replacing the old batteries with a new set of alkaline ones. Then, test the remote by pressing other buttons like volume or menu. If these buttons work, but the input button still doesn't, the issue may be with the button's contact. If your remote isn't responding at all, try using the physical buttons on your TV to change the input. This helps confirm if the issue is with the remote or the TV system. Step 2. Use the TV's physical buttons. Every VIZIO TV comes with physical buttons located on the side or bottom edge. Look for the input or source button there. Press and hold the button for a few seconds. Sometimes a short press won't register. The input menu should appear on your screen. Use the volume up and down buttons to navigate and select your desired input. If this method works, your remote might need reprogramming or replacement. Step 3. Check HDMI or AV cable connections. Loose or damaged cables can cause your TV to stay stuck on one input. Unplug all connected HDMI or AV cables from your TV and devices like consoles, streaming boxes, or Blu-ray players. Inspect the cables for visible damage or bent pins, then reconnect them firmly into the correct ports. Make sure the connected device is powered on. Now, try changing the input again. If the TV recognizes the connection, it should automatically switch to that source. Step 4. Reset the input settings. If your VIZIO TV still isn't changing inputs, resetting the system can clear software errors. Open the TV menu, go to System Reset and Admin Soft Power Cycle to refresh settings. If that fails, choose Reset TV to Factory Defaults to restore full functionality. Then reconfigure inputs and test again. Step 5. Update your TV's firmware. Outdated firmware often causes input glitches. From your TV menu, open System Check for updates and allow your VIZIO TV to download and install any new firmware. Once the update completes, the TV will reboot automatically. After restarting, test your input button. In most cases, the issue will be resolved. And that's it. By checking your remote, cables, and resetting your TV, you can quickly fix the input source issue on your VIZIO Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more smart TV solutions. Thanks for watching.